New year, forth looking out of Janus' gate, doth seem to promise hope of new delight. And bidding the old Adieu his passed date, bids all old thoughts to die in dumpish spright. And calling forth out of sad winter's night fresh love that long hath slept in cheerlesse bower, wills him awake, and soon about him dight his wanton wings and darts of deadly power. For lusty spring, now in his timely hour, is ready to come forth him to receive, and wants the earth with diverse coloured flower to deck herself and her fair mantle weave. Then you, fair flower, in whom fresh youth doth reign, prepare yourself, new love to entertain.